Today we'll look at how to export part of your project in DaVinci Resolve. I've created this project in DaVinci Resolve here, and I'm on the edit page. The way I can specify part of my clip to export is to use in and out points. And the shortcuts for these are I and O. So I can position the playhead to somewhere in my video. Then I can press I. That defines the start point. Let's go to another location. Maybe this is where I want it to stop. And then I'll press O. That's the out point. Once you define these points, you can click and drag them to fine-tune where they are. So I could drag this point over here. I could drag this point over here. Once I'm happy with the selection, I can go to the Deliver page. That's the rocket ship down here, so I'll click on Deliver. And now you can configure all your usual export settings over here. I'll change the file name. I'll change the location. I'll change the file type. And down here you can see the range. And this here indicates that it will do the in and out range. So I'll click Add to Render Queue. And then when I press Render All, it will just render that part of my video. Now how do you clear those in and out points? Well, if I go back to the edit page, I can press Alt-X. If you can't remember those shortcuts, these options are under Mark up here. So Alt-X is for clearing the in and out. So I'll press this, and they're gone. Be sure to subscribe to this channel to get more tutorials for DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.